Let's be honest. No one prepares you for what money feels like after divorce. You could be making six figures in your business, bringing in alimony or child support, doing everything you're supposed to do, and still feel like you're one unexpected bill away from everything collapsing. You're smart, you're capable, you work hard, but the numbers just don't add up. Your bank account dips. Your savings doesn't grow and you're hustling, but it never feels like enough. And meanwhile, your teens are watching, absorbing every single money habit you're modeling. That was me too. And that's exactly why I created this channel. Hi, I'm Lisa Jennings, your wealth activator and the founder of I Date Money. I help divorced mompreneurs create predictable cash flow and stop the hidden money leaks so they can finally build lasting wealth and true financial security for their families without restrictive budgets, shame, or spreadsheets that make you feel like you're failing. If you've ever opened your bank account and felt that punch of panic and wondered, how did I work this hard and still feel broke? If you ever avoided your money because you were afraid of what you'll find, you're in the right place. Because here, we don't shame money. We don't restrict it. We don't micromanage it. We lead it. On this channel, I'm going to show you how to create predictable cash flow, even with inconsistent income. Stop the sneaky money leaks draining your bank account and pay yourself first without guilt. Build wealth as a divorced mom who refuses to start over in fear. Rewrite your money story so you feel powerful making decisions and master simple money management with my money multiplier system. This isn't about working harder or cutting out lattes or sacrificing joy. This is about building a financial system that matches the woman you're becoming, a woman who leads, provides, and builds wealth with calm confidence. So if you're ready to feel safe with money again, you're ready to break the patterns you grew up with, if you're ready to create a legacy your kids can stand on, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and settle in. Your wealth era starts right now. Let's activate it together.